How to Save Money on Divorce in Palmdale. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're thinking about divorce in Palmdale, one of the biggest concerns is cost. The good news? If your case is amicable, you don't have to spend thousands on attorneys. Here's how you save money. First, choose an uncontested divorce. When both spouses agree, the process is faster, simpler, and far less expensive than battling it out in court. Second, avoid common mistakes with paperwork. Every rejection or correction costs you time, and often more money if you need to refile or hire someone to fix errors. For example, we recently helped a Palmdale couple who tried to do their divorce themselves. After 3 judgment rejections, they realized they were losing time and money. We took over, fixed everything, and got their case approved quickly, for a flat fee that was less than half what an attorney quoted. At Divorce 661, we specialize in affordable flat fee divorce services. We handle everything from start to finish so you can save money, avoid mistakes, and finalize your divorce with less stress. If you want to save money on your divorce in Palmdale while making sure it's done right, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation today.